Let's talk about pests. Nobody wants them, but every homeowner in Toronto has to think about them. From raccoons and squirrels to ants, mice, and wasps, the city has its fair share of unwanted guests. So let's go over some smart preventative tips to keep your home pest-free. In this video, I have 7 of them. Tip number 1, seal the gaps. Pests get in through the smallest cracks, literally the size of a dime for mice and a quarter-inch for bugs. Inspect your home's exterior for any openings around windows, doors, vents, or your foundation. Use caulking, weather stripping, or steel wool to seal them. Don't forget to check where utility pipes enter the home. Tip number 2, don't invite them in with food. This one's simple. Pests come looking for food and water. Keep your kitchen clean, don't leave pet food out overnight, and store pantry items in airtight containers. Outside, secure your garbage bins with tight-fitting lids and rinse your recycling. It makes a big difference. Tip number 3, tidy up your yard. Overgrown vegetation and piles of wood or debris are like luxury condos for pests. Keep your lawn trimmed, store firewood away from the house, and trim back branches that touch or hang over the roof. These act like bridges for raccoons and squirrels. Tip number 4, watch for moisture. Many pests like ants, silverfish, and even rodents are drawn to moisture. Make sure gutters are clean and draining away from the house. Fix any leaky pipes or faucets. And if you have a damp basement, consider a dehumidifier. Tip number 5, don't forget the roof. In Toronto, raccoons on rooftops are more common than pigeons. Check your soffits, fascia, and roof vents regularly for signs of entry or damage. Installing metal mesh over vulnerable spots can help stop animals from tearing their way in. Tip number 6, be proactive inside. Set traps in your basement or attic, even if you haven't seen activity. Use natural deterrents like peppermint oil in closets or around baseboards, and inspect behind appliances or inside cupboards regularly for droppings, chew marks, or nesting materials. Tip number 7, call in the pros. If you've had an ongoing issue or if you're unsure if you've had a pest visitor, hire a licensed pest control company for an inspection. They'll catch what you might miss and offer preventative treatments that are safe and effective. In a city like Toronto, it's not if pests will show up, it's when. But with a little bit of vigilance and regular maintenance, you can keep them out and your home protected.